Hello guys, today we're going to play Don't Press the Button 2. So now let's see if we can finish this obby in time. Let's see. I think we're gonna be a winner. The winners, oh my gosh. The winner, oh my god, he's the winner. No, why I'm failing so many times? I like failing. Oh my god, let's just keep, what is that? That's like a new thing? I don't know. Karate, boom, let's go so fast. Boom, boom. Come here, I'm so fast. Oh my god, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. Boom. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna win. Oh my gosh. No, why did I do this? They're winners. They are the winners. What is that? Look at me, look at look at me. I'm so sick. I'm so crazy. I'm so crazy. Boom, 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 boom. I'm so crazy. Let's press this button. What? Why am I here? Don't know why did it spawn here. Why did it spawn here? Tell me when the guys why it is in the comment. Why did it spawn here? You tell me. Tell me why did it spawn? Comment down below. Comment down below. Why did it spawn here in Roblox? Don't press the button 2. Why did this happen? I don't know why it happened. I don't know. Look at this. Ooh, let's press the button. Ooh. I'm gonna choose some blue. I'm just blue. Everyone. Oh, let's get it. I'm not a loser. I'm gonna choose blue. Maybe blue. Oh, I was not a loser. Oh, I was lucky. Yes. So what's that? Give me those coins. Why is everyone small? Boom, boom, boom. I'm so tiny. I'm so fast, but I'm so tiny. It looks like I'm very big. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. What's that? What's that? What's this? Why? Look at that. I'm gonna go so fast. Oh, I died. What is that thingy? Oh my gosh. But press the button. Oh, let's press the button. Was boom, oh, look, stuck it in a boom, boom, boom. And there's a thingy coming. What's that? What did that do? Wait, how do you fly? Wait, what did happen? The Superman. The Superman is here. Oh, we're super big. I'm super big. I'm super bossy. Body baby. A lucky baby. A sucker baby. Oh my god, look at so big. Well, how do you pull it? I'm so big. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's two. What is that? Earthquake. Wow. Oh my god, there's an earthquake. Oh my god, come on, let's get a coin. Oh my god, I have to get a coin. Oh my god, I have an earthquake. Oh my god, we have an earthquake. We have a, okay. No. Some people wanted their heads to be propped. Whoa. What happened? Oh, let's do Adriano, Haranamado, Haraka stuck in the boom, boom, boom. At the tornado. This is so crazy. This is oh my god. Ah! Ooh, whoa. Was there more? They're just coming? Nope. I don't. Ha ha. You just died. You're a die person. I'm just gonna press the button. Where's the button? Come on, where's the button coming? We need the button. We need the why is the button over here? The button is come on. Ooh, what's this? Okay, Simon says yellow. Oh, this is yellow. Okay, Simon says green. Ha ha, this is green. Simon says pink. I'm so lucky. Simon says yellow. Okay, Simon says green. Simon says pink. We're lucky. Oh, what is this? Miss Darby? Miss Darby, what are you here for, Miss Darby? Mr. Darby? Now, why is there Miss Darby just keep me? There's an earthquake here. Don't know what it is for. Whoa! How do you get up there? I'm not a die person. Whoa. Don't. Why did I just jump over there? That was a bad thing. Yeah? Look at me. Look at those people. They're gonna die so easy. Okay, everyone died. What? Dun. Oh my god, dun. I'm jumping and see if. Ooh, let's go. Boom, jump. Let's see. Touch the blue pet. Boom. Oh, football. Let's go, football. Oh, come on, football. Football. Where's the football? Come on, football. Go in the void. Go in the void. Go in the void. Go in the void. Oh my god, go in the void. Go in the void. Go in the void. Going the void. Yes. Go in the void. Yeah. Dun. God, why is this happening? I'm almost dying. Oh my god. This is a die person. I think I'm almost dying because I don't concentrate. Look at me. I have a helmet and I'm a YouTuber. Look at that. I have a helmet. But I'm just not happy. It's just hair. Oh, fight to the death. Boom. Okay, I think we're gonna restore one more level, and that's it. If I die on that level, ooh, what's this? What is this? What's next? What is gonna die? You're gonna die. Come on. Oh, you die. What a big penguin. What will this do? What's a big duck? Okay. Whoa, look at this doggy. Hello there, dog. You want some bean? You want a cashew? Oh, what? Oh my god, we all fell. Oh my god. Whoa, oh, Mona. Oh, Mona. Whoa. Dun. No, why did I do that? Everyone's gonna win. You, loser. They're the winners? No way. Oh my god, they're gonna be loser. Dun. What is this, a big face? Why looks like a big face? Look, oh my god, what is it going to do? Come on, let's go, boom. What came? Glasses, I'm having glasses. We have glasses. What happened? What happened? Glasses? Oh my god, what is that thing? Poop. Where this came from? Where did you get that from? A telescope. What do I want? Telescope costs 60. Chocolate milk. What? Whoa. Stop. Oh, look how it looks scary. I don't know why it looks scary. It looks a bit scary. I don't know. Oh my god, you are a noobist. The noobist who just grabbed coin. That's dirt coin. That's dirt. What's? Oh, come on. I'm gonna be the winner. I'm gonna win it. I'm gonna be the winner. 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 No, what? I'm not in a winner. I'm not gonna be a winner. Let's do on this level. If I die one more time, I'm in this winner. What? That's it. That's what I have to do. God, I'm sorry. I can't do any more. It's a short video. After when I just... Wait, when this level ends, I'm just gonna say bye to you. Oh, let's do what? Let's just try my best to go to be the winners. Don't. Oh, jump. Jump. No, okay. It's not. No, it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I need you guys to leave a like, subscribe the bell. I know there's a hard earthwork, and then I need you guys to leave a like, subscribe, and stop the bell. And bye.